The Highlander has a lot to offer, but in the highly competitive midsize SUV segment with more than 24 vehicles, it is simply a mid-range performer. There are 11 trims to choose from. Hybrid or non-hybrid powertrains are available, front-wheel drive is standard, and all-wheel drive is optional. All trims provide competent handling and a smooth ride, but the Highlander's way of driving could use a jolt of caffeine. The interior is well equipped, even at the base of the L, with modern conveniences, easy-to-use infotainment and a host of standard driver assist features. The Limited and Platinum models make a good impression of the Lexus, with great leather seats, a premium JBL stereo system, and additional tech features. Despite all that, rivals such as the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade provide more luxury and third-row space. The Mazda CX-9 offers a nicer interior and better driving dynamics, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee L delivers the brand's off-road capabilities. Highlander, while very competent, is a less attractive alternative by comparison. The standard Highlander V6 has been replaced by a new turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder for 2023. The new engine produces 265 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. Toyota says its combined fuel economy rating of 24 mpg is the same as the outgoing V6, making us wonder why the switch to fewer cylinders was made. A new 12.3-inch infotainment screen is available and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is now available on the Limited and Platinum trims. The high-end model also gets power-folding exterior mirrors, while the XLE and XSE trims add a hands-free rear liftgate. In our view, the mid-range XLE is the best. It has heated front seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and a powered sunroof, among other things. We'll also use the premium audio package with dynamic navigation, which features dashboard navigation and an improved stereo system. The Highlander comes standard with a 265 horsepower 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, which is paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission and front or all-wheel drive. Haven't ridden this version yet, but when it does, we'll be able to comment on its performance. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and two electric motors work together to produce 243 horsepower in the Highlander Hybrid. This model comes with a CVT continuously variable automatic transmission and a choice between front and all-wheel drive. Leveraging Toyota's hybrid expertise, this powertrain gives buyers something far more fuel-efficient than the standard model without sacrificing much in terms of performance. On the test track, the last hybrid model tested managed to hit 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds. The handling is unattractive but stable, and the ride is perfect for chauffeur family errands. Potential buyers in this segment will probably know that the Ford Explorer also comes in a hybrid form. But pitting these utes against each other, Toyota came out on top in terms of fuel economy. So far, Toyota has only said that its new turbocharged engine is good for a combined 24 mpg, so don't know what the city and highway ratings are. The hybrid model will undoubtedly carry higher ratings than the petrol-only version, with the front-wheel drive variant delivering 36 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway. When the Highlander visits our office, we will test its fuel efficiency on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route and update this story with results. The base L and midrange L models can accommodate 8 passengers using bench seats in the second and third rows, but a 7-seat arrangement with second-row captain seats is available in higher trims. Passenger space is more spacious here than on the CX-9, but not as extensive as on the Chevrolet Traverse, especially in the third row, which is on the narrow side for adults. Materials throughout the cabin are much better than those in the last-generation Highlander. The Limited high-end and Platinum models provide the most comfort, but compared to the features offered by the Palisade or Telluride, they fall short. The cargo area behind the third row only fits 4 suitcases, Traverse matches 6. An 8.0-inch infotainment system comes standard on most trims, but the Highlander Limited and Platinum get a 12.3-inch display with a secondary 12.3-inch display serving as the gauge cluster. Petrol engine 2023 Toyota Highlander has a new turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine. Paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission, this engine produces 265 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. The turbocharged engine replaces the 3.5-liter V6 engine of the 2022 Highlander. While the turbocharged engine has a 30 horsepower reduction compared to the V6 engine, torque output is 46 lb featuring higher. Toyota claims that the new turbocharged engine will have the same approximate fuel economy of 24 mpg combined as the V6. The hybrid powertrain for the Highlander Hybrid 2023 is the same as the Highlander Hybrid 2022. It combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors, resulting in a total system output of 243 horsepower, with an estimated combined gas mileage of 36 mpg. Both the gas-powered Highlander and the Highlander Hybrid offer a choice of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive systems. The gas-powered Highlander has a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, while the Highlander Hybrid can tow up to 3,500 pounds. The Toyota Highlander 2023 offers new features across the trim range. It includes two 12.3-inch mid-multi-information display screens, which is standard for the limited and platinum trims. The trim also features new standard power-folding exterior mirrors, which make it easier to get in and out of the garage. Inside the Highlander, the supplied wireless charger is moved to the instrument panel rack for more convenient access. Additionally, the XLE and XSE trims join the limited and platinum trims with a hands-free power liftgate. Highlander 2023 adds one new color for exterior paint colors, Cypress.